Hey, howdy, we're back. So Sean, we got some performance mods done here, and we have MA performance catless downpipe, HKS intake, HKS catback exhaust.
The giant tip.
And now, me being me, I'm dying to do a little bit of cosmetic action. So what we got going on today is the Street Hunter wing. So I got this all paint matched already, kind of out of the box here. I haven't unwrapped the carbon yet, so I'm super excited to do that. Got the carbon fiber blade, the paint matched pieces, but the scary part is we're gonna have to do a little bit of drilling into the car.
I don't like it, but we have to do it.
Let's get into it. Wheels, tires, and suspension at fitmentindustries.com. All right, I think the first step, Sean, is we just gotta mask this puppy off and then trace out the wing. Oh.
No, well, no, with the beard. Oh.
It's painter's tape. It comes off easy.
No, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't think we even got any.
Single hair on there.
Well, it was really scary.
Should we mask it off? All right, let's go.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
Okay, so we have it all taped up. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna kind of mount the wing on here by hand, and then Sean is gonna go around and trace it so we have an outline. And there's no drawing on my paint, Sean.
Can you stand still so I can trace it?
Well, I'm trying. This is nerve-wracking. Like,
yeah.
We're gonna have to drill into this. Jesus, what are you doing? Don't, Sean.
What?
You just missed like a whole section.
Did I?
Yeah. Nope, nope. So you keep getting caught on the. Go the other way. There you go. There. Yep. Perfect. Perfect.
It's been turning kind of gray in Southern California.
Hey Sean, how come pee-pee time not always poo-poo time, but poo-poo time always pee-pee time?
Oh, hey there, welcome to Sean's Tech Tips. Today, we're gonna be talking about pilot holes. When you're drilling holes, you wanna drill a pilot hole. You want 2 drill bits. Do a little small one first, and then move up to the big one so you don't mess stuff up when you use the big one. It can walk around on you. A lot less chance of that happening with this. So make sure you use this first. Thank you for coming to my classroom. Bye.
We're gonna make Sean do it. That way if it's messed up, then we can just blame the whole thing on Sean.
I feel like I'm always the guy that gets like,
okay,
I have to do the thing so that if something gets wrong, it's my fault.
He's a good man.
I'm so scared.
Get yourself a friend like that. Hey, we're filming over here. Okay, so we got all the plastic cleaned up. It was a little bit of a stressful process, but we got it. Thank you, Sean, for drumming that out because it scared the hell out of me. And the one time I tried it, I f***ed it up, and now I have an extra hole in my car. But besides that, we're ready to kind of mock these up and get them on there. So what we're gonna do is we went and picked up stainless hardware because it came with this nice blacked out hardware, but the problem is
weird.
It's not stainless. So people are having these rust pretty quickly. So I went to the hardware store, spent about 16 bucks and got all this stainless stuff
Poor show guy.
to prevent rusting, because that ain't cool. Alrighty. All right, guys.
My mic's not on
That's
yet.
fine. We're gonna open up the carbon. I haven't seen it yet. It's always like one of my favorite parts. Sean, is it your favorite part?
No.
What's your favorite part?
Not the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, in my experience, has always kind of been hit or miss. This is like fiberglass stuff.
I mean, honestly, that's fair. Yeah, like.
So.
I bought good carbon in the past, and I've bought bad carbon in the past.
Anytime I've got bad carbon, in defense of any of the companies we've worked with, they've always like exchanged a piece out for a nice one. But I do seem to come across it a lot.
Oh baby.
Oh yeah, undress it, undress it, undress it.
Undress me. I mean, undress it. Ah! Hell yeah.
You're good.
Just kidding. All right. Okay, we're almost done.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
All right, so I think we got pretty much everything drilled that we need to, besides these little end plate cover thingies that make it all pretty and shiny. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up the hardware a little bit. We had it pretty snug, that way we could drill the holes all the way through and get that all good and dandy. And then we're gonna mock up the blade on there, but we want everything a little loose, that way we can kind of adjust and form and fit it. That way everything's as flush as it can possibly be. Huh?
Oh, hey.
All right, so we have the blade mounted on there, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go get some 3M. We're gonna put the 3M right here, and then bada bing, bada boom. That's the wrong piece.
No, just,
oh, was it just this one? Oh, there we go. You're right. We'll put that in there, get it 3M'd, look nice and clean. And then also what we're gonna do is we're gonna real quick take this all off, add some silicone around the holes, that way it doesn't leak. We don't want any water if it's raining or going through the car wash leaking into the truck. That's the trunk, because that's no fun. So we'll add a little bit of that, but that is about it. Overall, not a crazy, terribly hard install, just kind of tedious with certain things. Little bit of fitment issues, honestly, a little bit surprised, but overall, I really like the wing. I love how it looks. I think it's like an OEM Plus style look, which is really what I was going for.
Isn't that literally what it is?
Yeah. It's a car well. So there's two things I wake up early for, and that's ice fishing, or if it has something to do with cars. We are taking the Supra down to Illinois to boost in performance and get this puppy tuned. We got all the bolt-ons in, so we have the HKS intake, the MA Performance downpipe, and the HKS catback exhaust. And we got the beautiful Street Hunter wing installed on the car, looking pretty damn good. But we're not here to fill up with gas at Quick Trip because that's 91 and we're getting tuned on 93. But it's like 4 a.m. and Max and I need some snacks, so let's go. Damn it. I got the camera on my...
How you feeling now?
I feel like Mr. Krabs. Yo, so we made it to Boost in Performance. We're here in beautiful Illinois where the gas prices are crazy, apparently. But we're here, bunch of dope cars out front, as you can see, and we're gonna drop off the Supra. Again, it's getting a 93 tune. They're gonna dyno tune the car, and it should make a night and day difference. You're able to pull a lot of power out of these B58s with just bolt-ons and a tune. I literally couldn't be more excited. So we handed off the keys to Boost, and now they get to take this and rip the ECU out and do all that fun stuff, put it on the dyno, and it kind of feels like dropping your kid off at daycare for the first time. I don't have a kid, I don't know why I made that analogy, but that's just how it feels. Anyways, you guys get the awesome ability of movie magic to make this seamless, and it's gonna hop to me picking up the car. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait a couple days, just waiting and waiting and waiting to drive it again. Yo, so the car is back. It is tuned. It has been on the dyno, and we have the 93 tune done. I am so damn excited to hop into this. I haven't drove it yet. They literally pulled it up for me, parked it right here. Me and Max are about to hop in and get my first reaction of the difference between the stock and now the 93 tune. So let's get it. We'll ease into it a little bit here. Let her run. It's literally no traction. All right, we gotta warm these tires up a little bit. It just spun the whole time, which it literally never did that before. Oh my God. And that was with like all traction control on and everything like that. We gotta fill up with gas here. So I'll put some 93 in it so we're topped up, and then we'll warm up the tires a little bit, and we'll get a good reaction going on. Give me that Supreme Plus, bruh. Honda. I'm thinking of getting one on the back of mine that says BMW.
Okay.
It is just 100% loose in second, and then in third, I was like, okay, we're in third, and I gave it, and it's still just squirreling. My traction control light's going crazy. It doesn't want it. We got to put some bigger meats on here, Max. We got to put some thick boys, because it's not having these anymore. Oh, what a difference. That is absolutely insane. Literally before I could give it in second, it might chirp the tires with traction control and everything on, but now it spins the entire way through. Yo, so the wing is done, the tune is in. I got the dyno sheet right here so we can see some of the power and what we gained. Looks like stock we were 354 horsepower and 295 torque. Now this was on a Mustang dyno, so on any other dyno you could expect to see like 10 to 15% higher numbers, so keep that in mind. But we did see a pretty good gain. Now we're at 409 horsepower and 344 torque, and you can absolutely feel it. Holy shit, did it bring this car alive. It feels phenomenal. It feels so good. It is so much fun to drive, and now I'm just like power hungry. I'm immediately starting to think E50, Pure 800 turbo, things like that. That'll probably come next year or so, because I'm enjoying the hell out of it the way it is, but I am a little power hungry now. But make sure you stay tuned on the next episode. We're gonna be installing some suspension. We got my wheels coming that were custom made. Super exciting stuff, and we have some other goodies coming for the car too. So make sure to stay tuned. That was a pun because it got tuned because we went to the dyno and there was a car with more power to tune. Stay tuned to get it because of the thing.